Managing HR for your freelance team can feel like a never-ending challenge, but it doesn't have to be that way. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to simplify HR for your freelance team in a quick, easy-to-follow guide. First things first, you want to centralize everything. If you're juggling multiple tools or even spreadsheets to keep track of invoices, contracts, or payments, you're wasting time. Look for an all-in-one HR platform that combines task management, time tracking, invoicing, and communication. It should keep everything in one place, so you don't have to hunt down information across different apps or files. Next, streamline your onboarding process. Onboarding freelancers doesn't need to be a hassle. Use automated tools that guide new hires through your processes, whether it's document signing or setting up direct deposit. Automating this means you don't have to manually walk them through every step. Plus, it reduces the chances of mistakes, ensuring everything's done correctly from day one. One of the biggest HR headaches is tracking hours. Freelancers aren't always in your office, so you need a reliable way to track their time. This is where our software comes in. The right tool will help you effortlessly monitor hours worked, ensuring your freelancers are paid accurately and on time, without having to send endless follow-up emails or reminders. Now let's talk about payments. Simplifying your payment process is key. Instead of using multiple platforms to pay your freelancers, find a solution that handles payments directly. You should be able to pay your team in different currencies quickly and securely with a few clicks. This minimizes mistakes, delays, and, frankly, stress. Communication is another area where you can simplify HR. Managing a remote team is tricky, but it doesn't have to be. Use a software that integrates with your messaging and collaboration tools so you and your freelancers can easily communicate about ongoing projects, upcoming deadlines, or even any HR-related issues. It saves time and keeps everything running smoothly. And here's the kicker. This software doesn't just save time, it reduces human error. From tracking hours to ensuring payments are correct, automating your HR process means you're less likely to miss something important. Before we wrap up, remember, if you're looking to follow along with the software I recommend, I've got a special exclusive free trial for you in the description below. It's available only for viewers of my channel, so don't miss out on the chance to try it for yourself. Key takeaway: simplifying HR for your freelance team is all about centralization, automation, and using the right software to streamline your processes. Start by automating onboarding, tracking hours, and handling payments in one place. To quickly recap, centralize everything, automate onboarding, simplify time tracking, streamline payments, and make communication easy. That's how you can simplify HR for your freelance team. And don't forget, grab your exclusive free trial in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to take advantage of that free trial and make your HR process much easier.